here we go. Whew. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Between the Sharks. Today we are back at the ranch. For those of you that are new here, welcome aboard. The ranch is a small property I bought that was abandoned for 17 years. No one lived here. And then on top of that, once I bought it, a few more things were abandoned here, like this camper. Right before closing, they came out here and got a whole heap of stuff. There was a Chevy Dually, a Jeep YJ, a bunch of things that I thought were coming with the property as is. They took those, they left this. So I know absolutely nothing about it, but today we're gonna work our way inside and see what's going on. Who knows? It could be full of gold. Jewelry. I mean, DB Cooper's money could be in there. We have no idea. Probably not. It's probably just disgusting. Let's make a lap. So first glance on the outside, I mean, it's not terrible. It's probably been here a really, really long time. Is that tire holding air? That's impressive. There was some power run to it at some point. I'm assuming from the house. Guess we got a broken window, little mini AC unit. I don't know anything about campers in general, but I'm assuming the issue is going to be up top on the roof. What do we got here? LP gas system designed for use of liquefied petroleum gas only. Got nothing but spider webs. Hey look, a lawnmower wheel as a weight for a tarp. Is that a cinder block? Oh boy. We got some privet growing behind it. You can see the lawnmower wheel as a weight came from the lawnmower collection. Well, back here we have a redneck retirement account, apparently. Or maybe the guy was just an environmentalist. Tidy cats. God, I hope that was an oil spill and there were not cats living in this thing. I guess we got an oval raveler, which I reckon was once a mobile traveler, but she's been downgraded a little bit since she's been left behind. Do I want to try the ladder that's positioned right here? What is that bag for? Doesn't take much to question the placement of this camper, because clearly when this roof was functioning, it was just dumping all the water right on top of the camper. Let's go up top. Let's see how bad it is. All right. All right, we're working without a net here. Whoa. Well, there's an ecosystem here. Bunch of bricks, pieces of cinder block, holding on a tarp that looks real tired. That means somebody knew it was leaking a long time ago. Yeah, that tree is growing out of it. Okay, 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 great. All right, before we get into it, I'm gonna go grab a trusty chainsaw and a stick and we're gonna clear the area around it, see if we can at least uncover it. Not gonna lie, I do love a good chainsaw on a stick. Guys, it is not blue jean weather. It's early in the morning and it's already hot. This is more of a Skeeters and what's inside sort of outfit going on here. Was a little bigger than I realized. Don't try this at home. I'm a professional. I mean, now that we can see the thing, is it better or worse? Sun's coming up over it, but still has that one Charlie Brown Christmas tree on top. It's about time, gang. Let's go. I think we gotta go in there now. All right. Well, here we go. I don't think anybody's been in this in, I don't know how many years. Well, I hope not. Hope there's nobody in there right now, because honestly, I don't know. Because it's not secured. All right. Here we go. Whew. Okay. Nobody's been through here in a minute because these spiders have been guarding the door. Oh, God. It stinks. Oh, boy. Look at that spider. Oh, boy. So a feller about that big hung out in here, apparently. Yeah. It definitely feels like it was someone's home, not someone's adventure vehicle. Oh, God. Okay. Okay. I need to get something. All right. Got myself a spider removal device, so I am happy to see them. That means nobody's been in here as of this morning. Come on, buddies. Woo. Glad I bought new gloves. All right. Yep. Trying to make a path. Yep, it's a little daylight through there. All right, we got gauze, we got toilet paper, and some boots. We're not off to a strong start, team. I'm not seeing solid gold. Oh boy, oh boy. All right, we gotta go in, don't we? That's pretty cool 70s linoleum though. I'm not gonna fall through the floor. I don't need my spider stick. Spider stick. Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God, guys. Oh, I don't even know. I think we've already gone. I think we've already gone too far. I mean, the roof is clearly collapsing. It's being held up by a mop. I guess that's where the toilet? Shower? What do we got going on in there? Okay, so that was a shower. Guys, I don't know about all this. Okay. Got a book. There are so many spiders. So many spiders. Spider stick, spider stick. Guys, I don't want to go through this, but look at this. This guy's got a mop balanced on a milk crate with some duct tape with some pins. And the pins, I guess, were helping to support this roof fix. Health capsules. AC units all yellow. I don't know if that means somebody smoked in here. Oh my God. It's a lot of books, actually. Yes, he's a big reader. Fan, oven, stove, microwave. I don't know what that blue stuff is. Hood vent. Oh, good gracious. Guys. Seriously, I was gonna clean this thing out. I don't even know what to do with it. I don't know how to even haul it off. Whew. Whatever that is, this floor is soft, which should be no surprise. Suitcase, jeans. Is that a cot or an ironing board? TV. I'm gonna make a huge mistake here. That's empty. Okay. Dudes, I don't know. All right, team. I kind of had to retreat. I don't even know where to begin here or what to do. I don't even know how to get rid of this thing. It's, everything is salvageable, right? Everything is fixable. However, I have no need for one of these things. And, you know, when the floor's shot and the walls are shot and the roof is shot and people are basically giving these things away on the Craigslists and the marketplaces. It would take more to fix this in material than it would to be just to buy one. And the experience of doing it, I don't know if it would qualify as fun. But we got to do something with it. Ugh. Did see some old blue jeans though, so we dive back in and see if there's any, like, you know, salvageable blue jeans. Guess we have to. All right. Where's my spider stick? Jeez. I mean, who knows what's under there, but that's all one big mold pile at this point. Spider stick, spider stick, spider stick. Crawl space or old camper? Where would you rather spend your Saturday morning? I mean, honestly, it's a debate. Bag full of socks. Not awesome. What do we have up here though? Jeans and an old suitcase. Suitcase is cool. I'm just glad there's nobody in this bed right now, you know? All right, where can you go? Duct tape crotch jeans, great. I can see why we kept those. It's like a collection of destroyed jeans. I don't understand, like they're not like hipster shredded, they're like toast. It's every brand known to man. Is that a jean jacket? Is it a Levi's? It's a jean jacket. Nope, it is just some random jacket. Everybody loves old jeans, but I'm striking out here. Old Navy jeans. It's just tired, dirty, old clothes. Finally, a legit pair of Levi's, but Moses, are they shot. Guys, I don't know, man. I don't know. I mean, there's nothing that even looks like it might be something, you know what I'm saying? Like, whew. All right, maybe we're onto something here. What do we got? Never mind. Sunglass case. That is a lot of cigarette lighters. Okay. One of them works. Wow, all right. It's a whole lot of cigarette lighters. I don't see any ashtrays, though, and it doesn't smell like cigarettes in here, so I'm not sure what that's all about. Anything in that tin but spiders? No, probably not. What else we got going on in here? Scary little chair. More cigarette lighters, can opener, remotes. Okay. Chargers. Those are stuck. It's probably for the best. Shoes, VCR, dictionary. I don't know. That's a good note. Watch your brain. Oh, wow. Who knows what's living in there? I mean, and it is just falling apart, all of it. Oh, plenty of paper towels. That's good. That light fixture is actually pretty cool. Well, gang, what do we do? Because to me, this is a total loss. It's now a hassle for me to get rid of because I don't see salvaging it. If you guys see something that I don't see, put it down in the comments, because it's going to take a minute to figure out what the hell we do with it. I mean, this might be a fun mini excavator versus camper situation, which is, you know, the best thought I have going. But yeah, I thought we were going to get a little deeper in here, but it's just so disgusting. I don't see why. Well, team, outside of a stash of cigarette lighters, I think we pretty much struck out here. I don't know what to do with it. Don't even really know how to get rid of it. Put it down in the comments. What should we do? I think it's beyond repair. I don't think it would even be fun. It's so bad. A little disappointed, but I'm not surprised. I think I was hoping for a small miracle. We didn't get it. I mean, thanks for tuning into the Between the Sharks YouTube program, and let me know your thoughts in the comments, because it's just terrible in here. Terrible. Maybe we'll dig through it a little more from the outside using the mini excavator, because sooner than later this thing's got to go. Got to go. I understand why they left it now. Thanks. It's awesome. Well, gang, thanks for watching Between the Sharks. At least we got all these cans.